We will understand a sum based on probability based on playing cards which came in ICSE 2011, a very important sum. Okay, so from a pack of 52 playing cards, all cards whose numbers are multiples of 3 are removed. This is a very important statement. All cards whose numbers are multiples of 3 are removed. That means the total outcome will not be 52 anymore, because we are removing all the cards whose numbers are multiples of 3. So let us first calculate the total number of possible outcomes. So let us first see the numbered cards. The numbered cards are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and 10. So these are the numbered cards. There are 9 numbered cards. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 numbered cards. Now out of this, which are the multiples of 3? I am just marking the multiples of 3. See, 3 is a multiple of 3, 6 is a multiple of 3, and 9 is a multiple of 3. Okay, so numbered cards in each suit. So multiple of 3 in each suit is 3, 6, and 9. So total cards which are multiples of 3, 4 into 3, 12, because there are 4 suits, therefore each suit contains 3 cards which are multiples of 3. So in 4 suits there will be 12 cards which are multiples of 3. Now according to the instruction, all those cards were removed. So total number of possible outcome. What is the total number of possible outcome? It is 52 minus 12, which is equals to 40. So first we have to find this. Now each card is drawn at random. That means they are drawn out of, one card is drawn out of the 40 cards. So first we have to find the probability of face card. Therefore number 1, event equals to a face card. Okay, so the favorable outcome. So number of favorable outcome. How many face cards are there? There are 3 in each suit. Therefore total number of favorable outcome is 3 into 4 equals to 12. Okay, 3 face cards in each suit. 3 face cards in each suit. Therefore how many suits are there? There are 4 suits. Therefore total number of favorable outcome is 3 into 4, 12. Therefore probability of the event of getting a face card is total number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. I am writing it short form. Okay, by number of possible outcome. So 12 out of 40, because there are 40 possible outcome, because we have already removed the cards which are multiples of 3. So 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40. What is the probability? It is 3 out of 10. Okay, or 3 by 10. Okay, so the second part is asking an even numbered red card. So let us find an even numbered red card. Probability of even numbered red card. So the event is even numbered red card. So even number cards are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, isn't it? But 6 cannot be considered. Why? Because 6 has been removed. Because 6 is a multiple of 3, removed as it is a multiple of 3. Is it clear to everyone? So what is the even numbered cards now? So even numbered cards are 2, 4, 8 and 10. So even numbered red card, this is even numbered card in each suit. Now there are how many red suits? There are 2 suits of red card. Therefore in 2 suits of red cards, the number of favorable outcome is equal to 2 into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 4 equals to 8. Okay, so 8. Therefore probability of event, what is the event? Even number red card is 8. That is the favorable outcome out of how many? Out of 40. The total number of outcome is 40. That is equals to 1 by 5. Clear? So this is a sum which came in ICSE 2011. Okay, so the next sum which came in ICSE was all red face cards are removed from a pack of 52 playing cards. That means all the red face cards were removed. All the red face cards are removed. Now a card was drawn at random. Now we have to find the given conditions. That red card, we get a probability of getting a queen, an ace, a face, or a card of clubs. Okay, so first let us remove the red face cards from the 52 playing cards. So the number of red face cards are 3 into 2 because 3 face card in each suit, and there are two suits of red color, the 2 suits of red color. Okay, so this is 3 into 2, 6. So total possible outcome equals to 52 minus 6. What is 52 minus 6? It is 46. Clear? So now let us find red card. So what is the number of red cards? Now this is very interesting. This question is very interesting. Why? Because we have already removed the red face cards. That means there will not be 26 red cards. Is it clear? আমরা তো already red face card গুলোকে রিমুভ করে দিয়েছি, তাহলেও কি আর 26 খানা রেড কার্ড থাকবে? থাকবে না। তাহলে 26 এর থেকে কতগুলো বাদ হয়ে যাবে? 6 red cards have been already removed. So number of red cards will not remain 26. So now as 6 red face cards have been removed, so the number of red cards equal to 26 minus 6 equals to 20. Clear? So now what is the favorable outcome? So now the number of favorable outcome is equal to 20. Therefore probability of event, that is getting a red card, is 20 out of how many? 46. Okay, because there are 46 possible outcome, and what is the favorable outcome? 20. So probability of event of getting what? The event is getting a red card. This is the event. Okay, always write the event as first so that we can easily place PE. So now let us cancel. So this is coming to 10 by 23. 2 10s are 20, 2 23s are 46. Clear? So let us proceed to the second subpart. The second subpart is a queen. Okay, so queen. That means in this case also the red queens will be removed. So number of queens equal to 4. Now red queens, because queen is a face card and red face cards have been removed. So now red queens are removed. That means how many red queens are removed? 2. Number of red queens removed is 2. Therefore number of queens equals to 4 minus 2, which is 2. Okay, so our number of favorable outcome equals to 2. I'm writing in short form, favorable outcome. Okay, number of possible outcome equals to 46. Therefore probability of event of getting a queen, the event is getting a queen, is equal to 2 out of 46, which is 1 by 23. Clear? Okay, so the next subpart is an ace. Okay, aces have not been removed. So event is number 3. Event is an ace. Ace has not been removed. Face cards are removed. So number of favorable outcome equals to 4, because there are 4 ace cards. Okay, so the number of favorable outcome is 4. Now probability of event is 4 out of 46. Total number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome, which is equals to 2 by 23. Okay, 2 by 23. Clear? Now let us move on to the next subpart. A face card. Okay, this is very simple. Number 4, event is a face card. How many face cards have been removed? 6 face cards have been removed. And what is the total number of face cards in a suit? There are 3 face cards in a suit. And what is the total number of face cards in a pack? There are 12 face pack. Okay, there are 12 face. Okay, so the number of face cards in a pack of 52 is 12. How many have been removed? 6 have been removed. So what is the number of face cards remaining? That is 12 minus 6 equals to 6. So this is our favorable outcome. Okay, so number of favorable outcome equals to 6. And what is the number of possible outcome? It is 46. Therefore probability of event of getting a face card is 6 out of 46, which is equal to 3 by 23. Clear? And the last sub part is a card of clubs. Okay, a card of clubs. Was there any removal in clubs? No, because only red face cards were removed. Club is a black suit. Okay, so number of clubs equal to 13. Therefore number of favorable outcome equals to 13, and the number of possible outcome, what is the number of possible outcome? The number of possible outcome is 46. Therefore probability of event of getting a club equals to 13 by 46. It cannot be simplified. Clear? So this is the way we solve the word problems which are related to cards and probability.